It's easy to say, I can do it, but those who persevere don't just do it, they do it and they live it. A very good morning to everyone. My name is Aditi Singh, student of 1921 batch, and I welcome you all for another session of Hands On, Plugs On, and Minds On, an IIEBM original direct to home lecture series. Before introducing the guest, I would brief you about the flow of the session. This session will be of an hour, where first 40 minutes will be knowledge sharing by our guest and rest 20 minutes will be for question and answers. You can type your questions in the chat box that will be addressed at the end of the session. Perseverance is the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. Appreciating everyone's presence on this Sunday morning, I welcome our guest, Mr. Himanshu Tawar. Sir is an alumnus of IIEBM of the batch 2017 and 19. Having completed his graduation from Jaipur National University, Sir joined IIEBM and turned out to be one of the most active students at the institute by participating in debate competition organized by Republic TV at the institute, volunteering in British Business Group, participating in Lit O Fest, India Premier Literature and Culture Fest, and by being head of sports committee at IIEBM. Sir's face is recognized as the brand ambassador of IIEBM, heading the admission committee at Pan India. His dedication and commitment towards the institute also led him to become ambassador for IIEBM at shiksha.com. Sir has been a sales trainee at Future Group, research intern at Govind Milk and Milk Products Private Limited, and sales and marketing intern in modern trade at Britannia Industries Limited. Being a marketing specialization student, Sir, with his remarkable adherence and impact while working at Future Group, received a PPO as a department manager where he worked for 3 months. But, as it's said, champions keep playing until they get it right. In no time, Britannia Industries Limited offered another PPO to him. Having an experience of 19 months, currently, Sir holds the position of Territory Sales Officer at Britannia Industries Limited. So, it's time to begin the fruitful session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for such a brief introduction about me. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Himanshu Shiv Tawar. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I'm a student of 1719 batch of IIEBM, Indus Business School. So, first of all, I just want to start I want to tell you this session. The main motto of this session is to make you understand about the perseverance and the achievement of goals which I have done in my career till now. And that's what I want to convey to all the students who are listening this session today. So I will start. First of all, let's know about what is perseverance. So perseverance means we want to achieve something in our life, whatever the goals which we have set, whatever the target which we want to achieve. For that, we don't care about anything like any difficulties, any you mean to say any failures, any oppositions, but we want to achieve that. This is perseverance. So if I talk about myself, before perseverance there are many things which comes, which you have to observe it and which you have to work upon it. So before perseverance, as a student, like the current batch, I would first congratulate them that you are selected for IIBM and you are fortunate enough that we are leaders for the 2 years. And I would say before coming to IIBM, you should be very sorted with your thought process, that first of all you should know that why you are going to pursue a MBA course for 2 years. What is the reason that you are going to pursue this course? If you are doing for the sake of degree, please don't come to this college. This is not for the sake of degree. Student come here to make their career, to make themselves a corporate leader, to make themselves a manager. If you are coming for the sake of just degree, please don't waste our one seat. It is very precious. There are many students which stands in a queue and very excited to take admission in this college. So first of all, you should know the root cause of doing MBA, that why you want to do MBA. Are you really interested of for doing this MBA? What is that reason? Do your own probing. Do check the cause, search the root that why you want to do MBA, and then you decide to do MBA. Then you have to be very much sorted. Like, if I talk about myself, when I was doing MBA, like when I was selected for the IIBM, before that only I have created a base that first I will take a commerce, then I will go for BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, then I will be doing my MBA, Masters in Business Administration, and then you have to select your core sector. So that's how you are very much sorted. There is, in my career, there was not any word of confusion. Still in my career there is nothing called confusion in my till now. I'm not confused. I'm very much sorted what I want to do, what I'm going to do, and what I will be doing. So you have to be very sorted with that. When I come to IIBM, when our induction program was going on, I had cleared all my doubts about marketing, HR, finance, operations. And with that, I have decided to take the specialization as a marketing. And I have selected my core sector as well, that I will be doing my internship in FMCG, and I will be after creating this kind of base in FMCG, I will be moving into FMCG company. And I did that. So for that, you have to be, first of all, the most important thing is your attitude of doing work, attitude of saying no to anything. Your attitude should be saying yes for any work, no matter what. So your attitude is most important, which creates a positive impact. Your attitude should be positive, not negative, towards anything. Your mental process, your mental state, your thought process, it should be very positive. And you should be a good listener. That also comes into your attitude. If you react, that is something you don't listen. You should be a good listener. You should listen to your mentor. You should listen to the suggestions which are coming. You should listen to the people, those who want that you should achieve your goals. You should listen to the people, those who are there in the industry from past 30 years or 40 years. There are many faculty members, there are many teachers, mentors in our college who can guide you, but you should be a good listener to them. If you listen to them, then you can achieve something. And that comes into your attitude as well, that you have an attitude of listening. And in our age, when in this age we make this, हम लोग ये गलती करते हैं कि हम लोग सुनते नहीं हैं हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स का, जो हमें सही रास्ता दिखाना चाहते हैं. वी डोंट लिसन टू देम. वी थिंक कि ये क्या बता रहे हैं हमको, वी नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, बट नो, वी आर एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग विद दिस. हम नहीं जानते हैं. वी डोंट नो अबाउट द मार्केट. वी डोंट नो अबाउट द व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन द मार्केट एक्चुअली. So we should be a good listener. As I told you about the attitude, your attitude should be very positive. You should have a positive energy of doing work. For me, I have not said any time. I don't remember if I said for anything to Jay sir or Arpit sir or Sher Singh sir about anything that I will not do this work, or this is something difficult which I cannot do. These are you have to take this work as a responsibilities. Whatever it is coming in your it's your college. What Take ownership and do the work no matter what. I know there will be mistakes होंगी आपसे, मिस्टेक्स जरूर होंगी, बट ये जो 2 साल है आपके, इसमें आप लर्न कर सकते हो. यू कैन करेक्ट योर मिस्टेक्स, बट ये 2 साल के बाद योर लर्निंग फेज विल बी गॉन. You will be a performer, you will be an achiever. Nobody will tell you that you should learn this. Everybody will ask you in the company, in the corporates, what is the end result. Us time, at that point of time, you will be not having a time to learn. You have to perform. You have to perform. All options is only perform. There is no other option. So if you take ownership, start doing work, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को समझो, अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को समझो, कमिंग टू द कॉलेज, एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. एंड जितना आप एक ओनरशिप लेके काम करेंगे और जितना इन्वॉल्व होंगे काम करने के लिए, उसमें यू विल डू द मिस्टेक्स, so you will get a chance to correct it also, and you can feel a difference that what you were there in 2 years back and what you are now today. With this, if I tell you, like, I'll give you an example. On the same year, like 4 or 5 of my students, we came to Pune in different colleges. I was selected for IIBM, my friends were selected for Indra and other colleges, and but the major difference was me among all of them. So that was I was the differentiator for all of them. I was standing at very different personality between all of them. And this is not only judged by me or my friends. This is my parents. If I talk about my parents, they are very happy the way I am today. Totally a changed person, a changed personality, a changed attitude, a changed energy, understanding the responsibilities. और वो आप में जब ही आ सकता है तब आप अपने करियर का स्टार्टिंग करें, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को समझे. जब आप छोटे से काम चालू करेंगे, नो मैटर व्हाट, काम बड़ा है कि छोटा है, आप काम करना तो चालू कीजिए. चाहे आप अपने ऊपर काम कीजिए, आप अपना एनालिसिस कीजिए कि आप कहाँ स्टैंड करते हैं. आपको जब पता चलेगा वेयर यू स्टैंड, until unless you don't know. So you should start working upon yourself. You should, अगर आपको अपने आप से पता नहीं चल रहा है, so you should involve in the activities which are there in the college, and you start doing it. Wherever you do the mistakes, you will be told, and you should take it positively and start working on it. When I was doing the work in the college, I was involved in every activity, every single work of the college, every single work. And from that, I was scolded many times by Jay sir, by Arpit sir, mostly by Arpit sir, I must say. And but today, that thing has changed my life. I have become proactive now. I'm totally changed. I'm a changed personality, like a 360-degree approach. So you should be in that way. So let's come back. So make your attitude in a right direction, in a right way. Start being a good listener and be sorted that what you want to do, why you want to do, and what you want to achieve. If you are coming with a no goal, with a no target, then there is no use of doing this MBA. Second comes, like, when I was there, like in my time, so I started doing the work like it's my work. मैं कभी ये नहीं सोचता था कि ये काम इतना छोटा है या काम इतना बड़ा है, मुझे करना है तो करना है. Then whether it is an internship, whether it is an industrial visit, whether it is a live project, anything. And these opportunities has given me a chance to know myself, that who I am, what I am good at in marketing, in HR, in public relations, in finance, in operations. It become very easy for me to understand that in which specialization I'm good at, where I can perform. I came to know that. I took marketing then. Then I said, sir, I want to do my internship in FMCG industry. And sir has given me a chance. First time, sir has given me, like, this Britannia industry has come first time to our college for the internship, and I was selected for the internship. An internship also, I was working in a different way. There were many students from across Pune who were working, but I was working in a different way. I want to set an example for everyone, that what I have done. I took initiatives of doing work. I created my own sales pitch as an initiative, and I I went to many places for that. तो आपको ये खुद एक ओनरशिप लेके, एक इनिशिएटिव लेके आपको ये जानना है कि आप क्या नया कर सकते हैं. कंपनी लाइक ब्रिटानिया, इट्स अ ब्रांड, इट्स अ बिग ब्रांड. ये अपने नाम से बहुत बिकता है आज की डेट में. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं बिस्किट कैटेगरी में ना खड़ा होके मैं उस कैटेगरी में खड़ा होना चाहता हूँ, उस कैटेगरी में काम करना चाहता हूँ जहाँ पे which is a challenging category. And at that time the challenging category was the dairy category in Maharashtra region. तो मैं उसके पीछे एकदम हाथ धो के लग गया कि नहीं, मुझे जानना है कि what is the reason कि why this category is not growing from past 1 year. What is that reason? I started working on that project where everybody was working on the biscuit. I was a single student who was working on the dairy part, though there was no growth. And I want to show to the company there is a growth. The only reason you have to take an initiative, you have to come up with the new suggestions, you have to take the ownership, and you have to start working on it. You have to speak to the customer. आपको जानना है कि क्या हो रहा है. आपकी internship is not a time pass. ये टाइम पास नहीं है. Many students they work as a time pass. This is not a time pass. This is something which can set your career, which can give you a job. And मैंने वही किया. Just because of this performance and this enthusiasm, I have received a PPO from Big Bazaar as a department manager. Though it was not an internship of Big Bazaar or Future Group, it was an internship of Britannia Industries. But I have received a PPO from another third company or second company, you mean to say. That's how I created a difference. So basically आप ये देखिए यहाँ पे कि मैंने क्या किया. मैंने एक हार्ड वर्क किया है. हार्ड वर्क is very important. If you want to create a shortcuts and if you want to just make a time pass, so I have already told these internships are not a time pass. And that's how I have done my internship. And not only in Pune, I visited many other places. I've created whatever the suggestion I have given, that suggestion was given in other places of the Maharashtra. And today that suggestion has been continued still in Pan India. And we are growing at 8% because of that suggestion, because of that initiative which was taken by me. I started working as a department manager for 3 months in Big Bazaar, and then I came to know many things about the corporate world, how you have to. So, one thing I came to know, I have received the PPO, that is okay. The toughest part is how you have to sustain in that industry, how you have to retain in that industry. That is the toughest part of the job. You will get the job, बट आप वहां पे सस्टेन कैसे करेंगे? कंपटीशन, रेस लगी है, अगर आप परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप भागेंगे नहीं, यू विल बी इन द रेड लिस्ट. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, everybody has seen Three Idiots, right? What Viru Sestra Buddhi has said, life is a race. अगर आप भागोगे नहीं तो आपको कुचल के कोई आगे निकल जाएगा. And that is perfectly a perfect example for each one of us. It's just a movie for the sake of movie. Amir Khan has proved him wrong just for the movie. But his statement is absolutely correct in today's scenario in a practical life. You have to run. You have to run means you have to perform. You have to perform at any cost. Otherwise, आपको कुचल के कोई आगे जरूर निकल जाएगा. जो आपको प्रमोशन मिलना होगा वो किसी और को मिल जाएगा. जो इंक्रीमेंट्स आपको मिलने होंगे वो किसी और को मिल जाएंगे. So here also comes the way of doing work, the way of conducting yourself, the way of carrying your attitude. After some time, I received another PPO from Britannia Industries, and that was the biggest achievement for this college and for me as well, because in the history of 20 years as an intern, nobody was selected in Britannia Industries. And let me tell you one thing, guys, Britannia Industries was not only a PPO from my side. In Britannia also, it was a benchmark by me, because they don't hire intern as a on job training, or you can say on payrolls. They don't hire any intern like that. I was the only student who got selected as an intern. So this was the biggest achievement from my side. And it just because of my internship. As I told you, what I have done in my internship, my dedication, my inspiration, and how I have done it. It's just because whatever I was doing in day-to-day operations, I was discussing with everyone. Everyone means those who are having an experience in the industry. My mentor, Professor Arpit Trivedi sir, Chief Marketing Officer, Director sir, Dr. Jaisingh sir, Indrapal sir also was there at that time. And even though the alumni are super seniors, because we don't know what to do. We are new. This is a new chapter for us. It's a blank. जब हम नया चैप्टर खोलते हैं तो हमें नहीं पता होता है कि इस चैप्टर में क्या है. हमें वो गाइडेंस हमारी फैकल्टी मेंबर से मिलता है. तो सेम इट वाज फॉर मी, बिकॉज my super seniors, they were into the industry, so they can only tell me what best I can do, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. And day to day operation I used to discuss with them what best I can do. So you have to discuss, you have to go and you have to discuss with the concerned person who is there in that industry. Connect to the alumni, connect your network with these people. Go and speak to the faculty members, director sir, Arpit sir, or anyone. You will get a guidance that will surely help you out. And in my internship, that was the biggest support which I have got from the college. And I think just because of that, I'm standing in such a big company today, who is the market leader in biscuit industry from past 102 years. So that you have to do. You have to create a benchmark in the college, like I have done. I have created a history. That's how you have to carry yourself. If each one of you started working on 2 3 points, I'm really sure each one of you will receive a PPO like me, and not only Britannia, in other companies as well. Start taking initiatives, start taking ownerships, start taking start start understanding the roles and responsibilities you have, how you can achieve it. There are a lot of difficulties, challenges, एंड जब तक आप उसको फेस नहीं करेंगे, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि आपको करना क्या है. Until and unless आपके सामने सिचुएशन नहीं होगी, you won't understand what you have to do. So start involving in the activities. I can understand that right now the time is not in a favor, but surely it will be sorted after some time. So you have got the time to make you yourself understand that what you want to do, why you want to do, and what you will be doing in your future. Because this is your deciding vote for your future. After that, if you want to study, there is a PhD program. If you want to study, but I don't think so that after MBA you are going to study a PhD. So this is the deciding vote for your career. And if I talk about this college, has created a leaders. Whatever it is happening in the college, whatever it is happening, whether it's a live project, whether it is an industrial visit, whether winter internship or summer internship or any other programs which are going on, take active participate in all those programs. Involve in those activities. Learn what you can do. Come up with the suggestions, ideas. Third thing comes, I want to tell you something about in this, like when I was there in the college for this time, the main part was self-discipline. That is very important. आपको अपने आप से सच बोलना है, आपको अपने आप से कमिटमेंट करना है, क्योंकि आपको कोई देख नहीं रहा है. कॉलेज का जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो तो कॉलेज करेगा ही. आपका क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, आपका क्या कमिटमेंट्स हैं, वो आपको जानना है. एंड दैट इज विद यू, नॉट विद एनीवन. You can only understand your own situation and then you can work on it. Self-discipline is very important in one's life. अगर मुझे करना है तो मुझे करना है. अगर मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठ के मुझे पढ़ना है तो मुझे पढ़ना है, नो मैटर व्हाट. मुझे असाइनमेंट्स पूरे करने हैं तो मुझे करने हैं. दैट कम्स ऑल इन द सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. So you should, every one of you should be a self-disciplined. Cribbing, don't do this cribbing and all. कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं मिल रहा है, हमको ये फैसिलिटी नहीं मिल रहा है. You are not here for the facilities. This college is giving you something which will feed you for the 40 years. Think about that. Your last degree is the post-graduation degree from IIBM. You are the face of the college. You are representing IIBM Indus Business School. Understand that part. Just understand this, that if you are coming to the college, come with a motive. Don't see how much big is the campus is, what all facilities are there. College is doing best what they can do. Come up with the motive of doing anything, of doing something, that what you want to be in after 5 years or after 2 year program. Come up with that thing and see. वो चीज देखिए ज्यादा कि कॉलेज में कितने प्लेसमेंट हुए हैं, कौन कौन सी कंपनीज में हुए हैं, कौन कौन से कोर सेक्टर में हुए हैं, वेदर इट इज FMCG, FMCD, हॉस्पिटैलिटी, ऑटोमोबाइल, फिनेंस, विच कंपनीज, किस सेक्टर में, किस कोर सेक्टर में जॉब्स हैं, कहाँ प्लेसमेंट्स हुए हैं. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस कॉलेज इज whichever company you want to go, name it. I'm pretty sure you'll get that company. But before that, you have to be fully prepared for it. Fully prepared. If you are not prepared, college is not going to make a fool out of them. You have to be fully prepared if you want that company in our college. I clearly told sir, I want to get into FMCG company. This is the list of top 10 FMCG companies, in which ITC was there, HUL was there, Britannia, Parle, Dabur. Sir said, Himanshu, among these companies, one company will be in our college. And as a result, Britannia was there. So you have all the things is not dependent upon the college only. I'm telling you, it's 80% efforts by the student and 20% by the college. College will provide you placements. प्लेसमेंट देने के बाद में क्या होगा? जॉब तो आपको करना है. कॉलेज तो आपको प्लेसमेंट दे देगा. जॉब आपको करना है, परफॉर्म आपको करना है. यू हैव टू शो योर एबिलिटीज, यू हैव टू शो योर स्किल्स. लेकिन जब तक आप ये अपने अंदर अब्सॉर्व नहीं करेंगे तो आपको प्लेसमेंट कैसे मिल पाएगा? कॉलेज कैन प्रोवाइड यू द कंपनीज, बट what about other things? Who will take care of GDPIs? College will not give interview at your place, right? So if I say, as an example, you are the driver of your own car. You purchase आप कार परचेज करते हैं, spend 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs, same as the expenditure of the college. आप कॉलेज में स्पेंड करते हैं whatever the amount is. उस कार का ड्राइवर है कौन? वो कार आप चलाने वाले हैं. Where you want to take that drive? There are different paths. आप उसको कहाँ लेके जाना चाहते हैं? It is totally depend upon you, not on the college. College can give you what college has to give, but you have to understand that you are the driver of your own car. So you are the responsible person for your own career. Understand this thing. And for this college, nothing is impossible. If you want any company, name it. I'm pretty sure that company will be in the college. And if you are good enough, take an initiative. Start contacting the companies, coordinating placement cell. आप खुद भी ये काम कर सकते हैं. But the only thing is you have to take the ownership. So this is most important. अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से मत भागो, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज से मत भागो। अगर आप आज की डेट में उन चीजों से भागते हैं, इफ यू रन अवे फ्रॉम दोज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड द वर्क, it is not possible for you to become a successful person. अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में कुछ अचीव करना है, so you have to be a flexible person. You should adapt all the scenarios, all worst scenarios. Go under every situation which is worse. I came with a motive, as I told you, and I have achieved it because of perseverance, no matter what. When I was working on my project, I've got a lot of failures as well. It's not like that on the first attempt it has become like my suggestion was become a pan India level activity, which is today in the current scenario. I've got a failure in that. Not even one time, 5 times or 6 times maybe. I think yes, 6 times. But I've not stopped because I believe on perseverance, no matter what. मुझे करना था तो मुझे करना था और मैंने किया. That was the attitude which I was carrying at that time. And still today, after this video call, I'm having a Zoom meeting for 2 hours. Just after this video call. And I will be doing it. I won't say कि सर मेरा कॉल चल रहा था, मेरे को थोड़ा सा 5 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट चाहिए. Can I take a rest for at least for 5 minutes? No. Just immediately after this call, there is a Zoom meeting for 2 hours. So put your efforts in the right direction, on the right path, and start working on it. It's very important, guys. Understand today the market scenario. We are into the situation of pandemic. Company wants a proactive guys who can handle this situation and who can work simultaneously. जो इस सिचुएशन में काम कर सके, इतने बड़े पैंडमिक सिचुएशन में अपने आप को संभाल सके और कंपनी को बिजनेस दे सके. The companies which are coming now, they will be seeing this kind of abilities also. And there are jobs, I'm telling you guys. In market, there are jobs. The only thing is a right person present in the market for that particular job? The only thing is that the only question comes is that is there a right person for that job? There are jobs, I'm telling you, but do you have the ability to grab that opportunity? Don't waste your time, guys, I'm telling you. These 2 years is very precious for you, and it's not 2 years, I'm telling you. It's not 2 years. It's only 1.5 year where you can change your life, where you can learn whatever you want, where you want to be a change person. Come with the motive, come with a target, what you want to achieve, and start working on it. But don't waste your time. And be sorted with your thoughts. Start discussing with the people. Start sharing your interest industry wise so that you'll come to know the scope. Start making yourself like start talking to yourself only. Standing in front of mirror, start talking to yourself. Face yourself, I must say. Face yourself. Ask yourself a question, that why you are here, why you want to spend a huge amount of your parents a hard and earned money. Some of your parents will be taking a loan for the student. Understand why you want to do MBA. Just understand this part. Do a probing of yourself, why you want to do MBA. It will give you a lot of answers, I must say. Lot of answers. I'm open for the question and answer round. So, Aditi,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So, let's open the house for the question and answer.
Yes, sir. So thank you. That was a motivational and a session to wonder about where we are and what we do and what we want to do actually. That was really indeed.
Thank you, Aditi.
And so we have questions lined up with us.
Okay.
So the first question is, what challenges Britannia Industries is facing to overcome COVID crisis and maintain the market share in the FMCG industry?
So I must say, like for Britannia Industries, there is no such challenge. The challenge is only us to do a supply chain part. That's it. There is no other challenge. Our market share is growing very well. We have taken a double digit growth in this quarter. I must say the third quarter, the third quarter is about to end. First quarter is about to end. If I talk about 2 months, we are into a double digit growth in all the categories. Only we are facing a problem, and the challenges is that the supply chain and the production part. But that also we have taken care of, because Britannia products come under essential commodity, which is needed by the people, and we are providing that. Next question.
Yes, sir. What will be the market condition in FMCG post-COVID crisis?
See, post COVID crisis, I must say these FMCG companies are not affected in the COVID-19. I must tell you, the only challenge came for the production part, but which is also taken care of. I would repeat one thing: challenge was only a production part and the supply chain, which is also taken care of, because FMCG industries are the essential commodities for the people, needed by them. It's a commodity which we eat in day to day life, so we need it. And post COVID-19, there will be more jobs, there will be more opportunities, which you have to look into it.
Okay, so the next question is to take you back to your student life.
Okay.
Someone has asked, what two things you would like to add in this COVID period if you imagine you are the student of this batch?
I would have done my own analysis in this time, and I would have start talking to the mirror, start analysis of myself, kind of a short analysis.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So the next question is, do you think COVID crisis affected adversely to the supply chain, especially in FMCG? And if it did, how they are ensuring smooth supply chain operations?
FMCG. It is
Yes, sir.
for every single industry. So this COVID-19 has affected every single person in this world, every single industry in this world, every single creature which is a living organism. It has been affected because of this COVID-19. So for the supply chain, as I told you, like it's a essential commodity, so they have to start it. Starting 1 week or 10 days it was stopped, but as अगर आप लोगों को खाने का सामान नहीं मिलता तो would you be able to survive? If for the FMCG industries, if they won't be able to give you these commodities, would you able to survive? I ask you this question. So it has to be started, then only you get this all the commodities, and every day you start making some many dishes, different cuisine, right, at your home. Sometime momos, sometime dosa, and sometime other things. So it was a challenge, yes, and it is not only for a single person or for a single particular category like FMCG. It was for every industry and every single person, which we have overcome it, and we have already started working on it. Where the production unit, if 100 people were working, there only we 50 members are working with the social distancing, with all the provisions and the rules and regulations of the government, and we are making it a smooth functioning. Any
Okay.
other question?
Yes, sir. We have a question that what are your values and priorities towards your goal?
For me, my first value is my attitude. It's a core value for me. My perseverance, my self discipline, and I work on these three values. And lastly, I would say performance as well. And it in these are the values which I work upon, and I believe.
Okay, sir. So the upcoming batch wants to know what are some tips for internships and life projects for this new batch?
For internships and the life project, I would say you should take an initiative. As I told you, come up with a motive, come up come up with a sort, uh, like you should be sorted, like in which industry you want to get into, and which company you want to get into. So create a base. अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, आप जिस इंडस्ट्री में अपनी इंटर्नशिप करना चाहते हो, उस कम उस कंपनी को अपना बेस बनाइए, उस सेक्टर को अपना बेस बनाइए, बिकॉज दैट विल हेल्प यू इन टेकिंग द जॉब इन द सेम सेक्टर. As I told you, like I want to get into FMCG, I was sorted with this core sector that I want to get into FMCG. मैंने वहीं से इंटर्नशिप किया. I started doing my internship from the same industry, and I want to get into the same industry in my placements as well, and I'm doing the same. So some students, they do like they are doing an internship in real estate and they are going into FMCG company, or they are doing in the automobile industry, they are going in hospitality or finance department. So that is not something like, you should know what you are doing. You should create a base for that first, and you should follow the same thing. Don't distract from it, don't change it. So
Okay.
start making your network, start contacting the concerned person or concerned alumni. There is a list in our college. A college can provide you the list according to the category wise of the sectors of alumni, their contact details. Ask them how you can contact them. Surely they will help you out. For IIBM, they will help you out.
Okay, sir. So we have question that apart from attitude, as you said, that attitude is indeed needed to reach the goal, but what else is needed?
As I told you, your self commitment from yourself, not from anyone, because you can only better understand the situation right now. आप अपना खुद का सिचुएशन समझ सकते हैं. ट्रूथ फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ, अपने आप से सच बोलो. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. अगर आपने ये तीनों चीजें कर ली एटीट्यूड के अलावा, आई मस्ट से दैट इज अ वेरी वेल डन फ्रॉम योर साइड. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
So we have a question that how did you decide that you want to take marketing as a specialization?
Very good question, I must say. And I want to touch upon that part, but I skip it. So there are live projects in our college. As I told you, student take these internships and the live project as a time pass. But for me, this is a test for, you can say, for my personality, for a specialization. So these live projects will tell you that what you are at, what you what you good at. Maybe marketing, maybe HR, maybe finance. So in the live project, I tried like working in public relations. I tried working in finance department, and lastly I started working in the marketing. I was doing sales. So I came to know that I am a hardcore salesperson. I can talk, I can do a sales pitch. At when I was doing a sales part in the when I was in the sales department, at that time the innovative ideas automatically started coming to my mind, that how can I make a sales pitch, how can I connect to the customer, what I can do something that can attract the customer. Take these live projects very seriously, very seriously. It will give you a chance to know yourself. It will give you a chance that what you can do and what you are good at. So whatever the opportunities you'll be getting from the college, just grab it and take it very seriously. Any other question, Aditi?
No, sir, that was the last question.
Okay, any question from your side?
No, sir, it was really a very motivational, and yes, it was a reality check question for me as well, that where I stand in my life and what I want to do when I am in this institute as well. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I would say I would like to thank this to Director Sir, Dr. Jaising Marwa Sir, Chief Marketing Officer Professor Arpit Trivedi Sir, Lieutenant Sher Singh Sir, for supporting me and giving me opportunities and believing on me that I can be a student who can stand out of the line and who can achieve the goals. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for this opportunity for this webinar. And I hope this is not the last one. You will be inviting me in the next session as well, and I hope this will impact the students and this will give a learning to them. And all the best to everyone and all the students.
Sir, we have an ending note. If I could please continue.
Please go ahead.
So actually, I'm sure that students have more questions and are curious to know more about how you made an amazing presence in the institute. But I'm sure it's not possible in just an hour span. Definitely, your physical presence is in the campus will be needed the most, and your session would be required by the students for the coming batch as well. We
All
hope to
right.
have an interactive session at the campus soon. At the end, I would like to quote Henry Hatsworth, who said that if you only knock long enough and loud enough at the gate of hard work, you are sure to wake up someone. And that
Absolutely.
someone could be success as well.
Absolutely.
I thank you, sir, and I thank you all for attending this session. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Thank all the faculty members of IIBM, and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.